Hi, welcome to another new video in GIS and RS Solution YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be very precise and important. I will show you how to convert Excel data to shapefile using ArcGIS. You will learn how to save Excel data to CSV format and then add data in ArcGIS and finally convert Excel to shapefile. I hope you will find this tutorial useful. So let's get started. You can see here the data ID, latitude and longitude data in this Excel file, and now I will save this file as CSV comma delimited, then save. Yes, after saving this file as CSV comma delimited, yes, this one, and then go to ArcMap, add data, CSV, then add, and if you go to attribute, then you can see our latitude, longitude and ID number of sample, and then display XY data. Here X longitude and Y latitude, just select this, and coordinate system, geographic coordinate system, and then click OK. You can see here it has been placed according to latitude and longitude, and that Excel data has been converted here, not yet converted shapefile, but we add here, and then go to data and output feature class where you want to save. Just show the path and then rename it. I'm going to rename it as practice, and save as type will be shapefile, and then click save and then click OK. Yeah, yes, then I will delete this file and just keep the shapefile that I have converted from Excel. You can level 1, and you can see using your area of interest, and you can also change the color of your yeah, okay. You can also decrease or increase the size. Yeah, here is the very simple process, I think. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do so, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and if you subscribe already, thank you so much. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, stay safe and healthy.